All right, it's June 29th, 2021. This is the McCaw EOC public briefing. We'll go ahead and start out the report from Glenda Butler, which is standing in for Dr. Cope for today.
Thank you, Jasper. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. Just 1 second. All right, can you guys see that okay? So this is the health officer update for today, June 29th, 2021. So at this time in Nia Bay, we do not have any active cases. And so far to date, we've had 13 cases total. All have recovered well. And at this time, we also have no individuals in official quarantine. For Clallam County, the percent positive we are considered in the high risk category right now with the percent positive at 3.7%. In Clallam County right now, we have 57 active cases with 5 people currently in the hospital. And so far to date, there have been 12 fatalities in Clallam County, but there are no new ones right now. This is just another slide of Clallam County. So in the past 2 weeks, we've had 55 confirmed or probable cases in Clallam County, which of course keeps us in the high risk category. So that's that. As far as variants of concern go, the one that's the most concerning right now is this alpha one. There's 33 current cases in Clallam County, and also this gamma variant. There's been 1,525 cases of that variant. These other guys are kind of around, but not as significantly prevalent as the alpha and the gamma at this point. There's a few other variants that they consider variants of interest. They're not super prevalent in Clallam County. Delta is starting to become very much more prevalent though, so I wouldn't be surprised if that one doesn't switch over to the variants of concern in the next few weeks if it continues to trend upward. So as more people get vaccinated and new cases and deaths from COVID, so as more people get vaccinated, the number of deaths from COVID is going down. And so vaccination is really the key to kind of getting us through this virus, because if we, so people can still catch COVID if they're vaccinated, but people that are getting it when they're vaccinated don't get as sick and they're not dying. So that's why it's so important for people to get vaccinated. We need to really keep pushing the vaccinations to prevent death. So here at STIC, we do have all 3 vaccines that are available. We have the Moderna, and we're giving those on Fridays at the clinic. And those are for ages 18 and up. Pfizer is the vaccine that is approved for ages 12 and up, and we give those at Thursday at the community gym. And we also do have the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which is for ages 18 and up, but it's the single dose vaccine. And so people can choose. Sometimes people do their do a little research or have a preference on which one they prefer. And so we are able to give all 3 of those here at the clinic now. So that's a good thing. So there's, the big question that a lot of people had was, if we get our vaccine at the clinic, are we going to be entered into the state lottery? And the answer to that is yes, you will be entered in the state lottery. So it doesn't matter if you get your vaccine here or in Clallam County, everybody is entered into that same lottery. We also have our own lottery in Nia Bay, which is different than the state one. So I don't know if we call it a lottery. We call it, what do we call it? Not door prizes, like raffle prizes or something if you entered ours. So you get 2 chances to win, the state one and the local thing for getting your vaccine in EA base. So again, getting vaccines is really important to keeping our community and our families safe. And so that is the end of the presentation for today. And if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer questions.
All right. Well, thank you, Glenda, for the presentation today and filling in for Dr. Cope. I don't see any questions in the chat as of yet, so we'll go ahead and keep moving. I have no McCall Tribe report today, no updates. I know everybody's busy with ARP, so that's where they're at, I believe, right now. For the McCall EOC, wanted to remind everybody the next community mask and hand sanitizer distribution will be July 21st at Village Market. We'll keep continuing to put that out, and we'll get flyers out to the community for the notice. I want to also put out a reminder today of the heat wave that's currently going on. We are supposed to be at the tail end of it, but it's still going to have some temperatures we're not used to. So make sure everybody stays hydrated. Make sure to check on your elders, your family members, and don't forget your pets. They need that help during this heat wave as well. We're going to put this presentation on the stick.org website at a later date and time. And I wanted to remind everybody that please practice social distancing. If you can't, please wear your mask, and masks are still mandated in public places for right now. So that is all the updates I have from the EOC. I wanted to thank the McCaw EOC staff, the stick staff, the community for the great effort everybody's done up to this point, and McCaw Tribal Council. So don't see any questions. So we'll go ahead and close this meeting out. You guys stay safe, stay cool, and be sure to check on everybody during this time. So thank you and have a great day. We'll see you guys in 2 weeks. Thank you.